The Dolomites, a breathtaking mountain range in northern Italy, are part of the Southern Alps and are celebrated for their stunning landscapes and unique geological features. In winter, the mountains transform into a skier's paradise. As the snow melts, the region becomes a haven for hikers and climbers. Towering peaks rise majestically from the earth, while lush valleys and vibrant alpine meadows create a stunning contrast. The area is also dotted with beautiful alpine lakes, which mirror the dramatic mountain scenery. The Dolomites are a spectacular mountain range and an unforgettable experience in one of Italy's most enchanting regions.